So hello guys. My name is Benaya. I'm an ICT developer and I'm also a software engineer. And recently I came up with a new solution or a new something. It's called a note app. It allows you to take notes and maybe able to schedule your day. And I want to take through that. So the first thing that we're gonna do is logging in. So you're gonna come here, logging in. I have already created an account, but if you are willing to create an account, you can just come here to register. And when you register, you can be able to log in. But for now, since I have an account for myself, I will just log in and I will pick a new user and I will log in. So when I log in, I will be taken to the home page. So the first thing that you'll see is the home page, and this is where you can be able to see to create notes. You can also be able to see the notes that you have, and that is all. So I will create a new note and I will say today I want to cook lunch. Health, I'll call it title, give it health, and then I'll say cook lunch. And maybe for lunch I'll cook chicken chicken breast plus ugali. And then I can be able to create a note, and when you can see, you have an alert message that says note created.